Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to add speaker notes in Google Slides. So this is pretty simple. First, open up your presentation, and down here you see this line. As you can see, when I'm dragging this line, I'm making this window larger, and here's the window where I can add my notes. So let's say I will add the notes, and now in order to present it with the notes available, so I want to see these notes while presenting my presentation, you have to click right here on this arrow and click on presenter view, and you should see your slide right here. Here you see your next slide, here you see your previous slide, and here are all of your notes. So this is really simple, and here you see time. You can pause it or reset it, or you can go to specific slide that you want right here. So thank you guys for watching. This is how you add speaker notes in Google Slides. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.